Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by listing requirements: a bacon hair avatar, access to a private Brookhaven server, and a tank remote or equivalent tool from the game or map assets. Choose a flat area roughly 20 to 30 studs across so the tank can fit and rotate without clipping. Invite 2 friends, 1 driver and 1 engineer. This lets you position parts, test movement, and reduce the build time to about 60 to 90 seconds. Keep chat on and coordinate each step verbally to avoid mistakes. Begin building by placing a rectangular base platform roughly 18 to 24 studs long and 12 to 16 studs wide to hold the tank body. Attach wheels or treads on each side, spacing them about 4 to 6 studs apart to ensure stability and avoid tipping. Add a central hull layer, then mount a turret assembly centered on the base so it can rotate. Connect the tank remote or control block to the main controller and test each function: forward, reverse, turn, and turret rotation before finalizing. Customize the bacon tank by painting the hull in bacon colors, red, brown, and light pink tones to create the striped look. Add cosmetic trim, a bacon hair emblem, and light blocks for headlights. Test mobility for 30 to 60 seconds and watch for drifting or slow turns. Adjust wheel spacing or move weight by 1 to 2 studs to balance. Confirm seats and entry points are secure so players can board within 5 to 10 seconds without falling out. Save the vehicle and invite players.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.